Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is my first video on YouTube, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make galaxy slime. So without wasting time, let's just start with the video. To make your galaxy slime, you will be needing your bowl, add Fevicol or any glue to your bowl. After adding your glue, add some lukewarm water and mix this well. Now it's time to add your favorite color. Here I'm using pink because we are making a galaxy slime. Mix your color well in the glue solution. Now it's time to make our activator. For that, take another bowl and add your lens solution in it. Here I'm using 3 spoons of my lens solution. After this, add baking soda to your lens solution and mix this well. I am using 2 pinches of baking soda. Mix your activator well together. Now after mixing, add your activator to your glue solution and mix it well together. If you want, you can even add some oil to make your slime look glossy and stretch more. Now I'm going to add my activator and mix this all well until and unless my slime doesn't stick to the bowl. You have to keep mixing it for a long time. Now when you see your slime doesn't stick to the bowl that much, knead it with your hands. If it still seems pretty sticky, add some lens solution in it to make it unsticky. Now I'm gonna knead my slime. So as we are making a galaxy slime, we're gonna be needing blue and purple slime as well. I made my blue and purple slime already. So now let's mix together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And this was my first video on YouTube. So yeah, until then, bye.